Take care. Nice meeting you, bro. Be safe.
Winds are going to come back around, and that's when the water is going to be pushed on shore. So as I'm looking at I was just looking at the map. So the highest winds that we should see start about 1 a.m. go till about 5 a.m. They'll change in direction as Reed's talking about. The tides tomorrow start around